2000 Saturn SW2 with the 16 valve V-twin, twin fan engine with California ignition with the air pump. I'm having a hard time starting in cold weather. I have to floor it to keep it going. I guess once it builds enough pressure or vacuum, it's able to maintain its own. So if I spray the throttle body area, it starts to die down. So I've tightened that clamp as tight as it can be. Now it does have an aftermarket intake system that I did not do. So I've been looking a while for a factory setup, but I think the problem is down here. Now I don't see any vacuum line, so I'm thinking that maybe the throttle body gasket is no good. And I know the upper intake manifold is a common problem as well. So I'm going to order that too because the pickup's, but I think my main problem is the throttle body. If I spray that tube, if I spray like right there, it starts to die down. Now, obviously it's sucking in air. I just don't know where. So I'm going to order a new throttle body gasket and an intake manifold gasket. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know.